Buy £50 worth of fish and chips. Apparently, you pay $7.99 for cod and chips at Harry Ramsden's through Uber Eats app. You get a free cod.
Oh, you're not in lucky.
If you go bottom left through the room and then go straight left to point, that's pretty good.
You're not allowed to use Torbjorn yet. I never knew that.
Have anybody played the Torb rework?
I played it once and I absolutely hate it.
Yeah, I love it.
I'm like I can't find a way to feel like he's fitting
His turret,
well in the most.
I like it because it's no longer about his turret.
Yeah, that turret setup is crazy. I like how he just auto set that.
It's no longer about his turret though. Like his turret has like what 200 health, easy to destroy.
It's 250.
But if you combo him with Hammond ult, I think, and maybe like a shatter or some shit, it's pretty disgusting. Like all the lava, and then that's basically like crowd control, like crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 CPs. Oh, just break it. Yeah.
Alright, we're going left, right, guys.
I'm going as fast as I
left
can.
behind.
Yeah, Lucio left me, so I can keep up.
Wait.
Alright, ready to boost? Everybody ready to
there are
boost?
3 high ground.
Go.
Up.
Alright, we're on it. Zarya's
Hold it
over
down.
here. Zarya's one. Yeah, we won that.
Nice. Beautiful, guys.
Oh, we're all on high ground. Go on, Ryan, go round.
The payload moves with certainty.
I know. I'm hoping that Ryan's gonna come round so I can dominate high ground.
Hanzo and Soldier are somewhere on that bridge. I'm gonna push them in the back.
Hanzo's below. Oh, there they are.
That Reinhardt did not think I was gonna jump in front of his face. Good combo, Brig.
That Ryan can die. That Ryan can
Disgusting.
die.
Oh, Ryan's one.
Soldiers up on the bridge.
Goes
That
on the
was a
high
good fucking
ground.
bash. That guy was not ready.
I don't have my mech for him yet.
Is their soldier still up? Yeah, Briggs going
Oh,
for
I
that
got him.
shit.
I got him.
Beautiful bridge.
Oh, Bastion now.
Who's that?
Run towards Bastion quick!
I have Diva Bomb. Get that Hanzo.
They can't get out, they're stuck.
They're in the fucking spawn, dude. Holy fuck, bro.
I feel
They
bad,
never
but at the same
as
time
soon
I
as they got
don't.
up, they were like, alright guys, reset, we got this. As soon as they said that, we could see us running in there like,
Is
holy
just
shit.
We've cornered
I don't
them.
think anybody's realizing how aggressive we're playing on them right now.
Ready? Diva bomb.
I'm ready.
Oh yeah, the Rissa just set up a shield. Perfect.
Oh.
Rissing die. Oh, she got ran away.
You know you're a pro and you can time when Arissa's shield's about to, or her armor's about to go down.
Oh, I lost my
I
dual
missed
damage.
that mother flower. I'm sorry.
Got Bastion.
Bastion setups, just spraying.
Backing down.
Straight over point. Too late.
Oh my god.
Go,
Oh
Hanzo.
my god.
Dude, this is just bullying people.
Goat is disgusting.
I know, for